How to add audio in Bereal application. If you have been using the Bereal app and wondering on how to add audio on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application. Just like this, after opening it, you will find something like this on your home page. Now to add audio, you need to add a post first. So for that, simply tap onto this camera button at the bottom. Now tap on it. Then simply take a photo. Tap onto this photo. After that, here you can find the music icon right here. Now select it. Now to add the music, you need to connect your Apple Music or your Spotify. Now choose one. And after that, you will add the music on it. And after doing that, simply tap on to send. And that's it. This is how you can add audio in the Bereal. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.